How's it going, Airsofters? You join me at Battleground Airsoft, where I'm running the silent Wolverine MTW and a ghillie suit. This makes for a formidable combination.
Get flag coming out! Hit!
The game mode is domination. There's a capture point over there, but I have enemy to my left. I'm going to use those flooded trenches to my advantage. It works. I don't think the enemy think anybody is crazy enough to use these trenches. Oh, that was a close one. There's an enemy sniper out there somewhere. I best keep to the trenches. Let's find some more capture points. Maybe I can go unseen if I use these tunnels. Moving in these old tunnels is noisy, and it soon draws attention my way.
Red or blue?
Hello.
I'm gonna watch your YouTube channel.
Oh yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Airsoft CamMan.
Airsoft CamMan, okay.
CamMan. CamMan.
Cam.
CamMan. Yeah. Are you okay walking with that? You seem it's like your legs are stuck together.
Nice.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.